Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign out of all devices in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that in Spotify app, we don't have the option to sign out of every devices. So we need to go to the website. So let's go to spotify.com. So now in the top right corner, we can see the setting icon. So let's tap on this. Now click on support. Now here we can see this profile icon over here, so let's tap on this. Now if you scroll down, we can see this option called sign out everywhere. We can simply tap on this to sign out of all the devices in Spotify. So this is it. This is how we can sign out of all devices in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.